Hi, it's me again, Seth. And today I'm going to show you how to use our subscriber form, or this is our lead generation form. Okay, so once you're on your admin account, just go to settings and then we select my sales settings. Then choose subscriber form settings. Okay. To complete this lead generation form, we're going to need a title, a description. This is the button text is your call to action. And this one right here is the message that your subscribers will see after signing up. Okay. This is a preview of what the form looks like. This one is the email that will go out to your subscribers. That's immediately after they've completed your subscriber form. This right here is the HTML code. This is the code you need to copy and then embed into your website or to your landing page. While your confirmation text, um, this is the message that will display as soon as your subscriber confirms their email address through that automated email that will be sent. Okay, so this is the message they will see. All right, so let's go ahead and personalize this form. Let's create a new one. Okay, just a sec. So we will change the title. Here is our description. Okay, our call to action. And this is our new success message. All right. And then, so this is how the form would look like. Okay. Now, I'd like to change this email. I'd like to change this email a bit. So let's say we're changing it to, okay, 1 second. Okay, so all we have to do is to click on this area right here. It says click here to create a new email template. So we'll do just that. Our subject line is this. Okay. And then this is our new email. All right. These information in brackets will be automatically completed or added by the system. So we don't have to worry about that. And then you also have an option to attach a file. It can be a PDF, video, audio, Word document, or an Excel file. Okay. And then once we're ready, just have to click save. Right. Okay, so we're back to the subscriber form settings. We are going to just change the email. So we'll have to look for the email that we just created. It's this one. And just change it. Okay. All right. And don't forget to save. Okay, so we have saved that. And then we're ready to generate a new code. Okay, so it's got our subscription and all. I'll have to complete this area right here. The confirmation text this is the message that your subscribers will see the moment they click on the link to actually confirm their email. So let's copy our code. Our confirmation text is ready. So we just save. Okay. Let's just save settings. Okay, looking good. Now we are going to embed this form into our website. Okay, that's the name of my form. And then we are going to choose HTML, custom HTML. Okay, and we just paste the HTML code from this area right here. Okay, just for this demonstration, I'm going to save it as a draft. Okay, so our form has been successfully saved. Now let's view the form. Okay, so this is the actual form, and then I'll just complete it for us to see if it will trigger an email. Email address. Okay, so it's got our success message. And then I'll just check my email. Okay, see if I got the email. So this is the email that I received. And then if we click on this link here to confirm the subscription, okay, it's telling me that I do have an option to join this learning community. All right. So that's it for our demo today. And if you have questions, feel free to email us at userhelp@wisdome.com.au. Thank you for your time.